In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert text to a vector path in Figma. Let's launch the Figma app. In the top menu, click on Design. In the bottom menu, click on the Text option. Place the text box on the canvas. Write something inside the text box. Now we have to increase the size of the text. Select the text and in the right side menu, increase the font size to 300. Select the text again and click on Font Options. In the search bar, search for Montserrat. In the search results, select the Montserrat font. Let's resize the text box so that our text fits the box. In the right side menu, click on Font Type. In the pop-up menu, select Bold. Now, right-click on the text. In the pop-up menu, click on Outline Stroke. Now you have to be a little bit careful. First, double-click on a letter. In my case, I will select the P letter. When a letter is selected individually, double-click on the same letter again. Here you can see that the letter has been converted to a vector path. Now you can edit the vector points as you like. The same goes for all the other letters as well. Just double-click on a letter first, then double-click on the same letter again, and you are done. Following these steps, you can convert text to vector paths easily in Figma.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.